Buckeye Fire Equipment is proud to introduce the Kitchen Mister Restaurant Cooking Area Fire Suppression System. For years, you've asked for a restaurant system that was easier to install and eliminates the need for conduit, corner pulleys, and fusible link brackets. That has excellent coverages, color-coded nozzles for easy identification, and a one-page laminated coverage summary sheet. A system that was uncomplicated to design and install. A control head with a viewing window so you can be sure that the cartridge is installed correctly. And offered online training so new employees could be trained quickly and easily. Well, you asked and Buckeye listened, and now that system has arrived. The Buckeye Kitchen Mister system is listed to UL 300 and is ULC listed for Restaurant Cooking Area Fire Suppression. 4 pressurized agent cylinders that support 5, 10, 15, and 20 flow points. 5 color-coded nozzles. 2 mounting brackets. A simple, high-quality control head with a viewing window that's available with 1 or 2 detection lines, and that uses reliable Globe ML style fusible links. For simplicity, Kitchen Mister cylinders are designated by flow points, not agent capacity, so the BFR5 supports 5 flow points. The BFR10 supports 10 flow points. The BFR15 supports 15 flow points, and the BFR20 supports 20 flow points. These are the Kitchen Mister cylinders. The Kitchen Mister uses only 5 nozzles, each with a unique color band for easy identification. The N1 HP nozzle is a 1 flow point nozzle with a blue color band. The N1 LP nozzle is a 1 flow point nozzle with a red color band. The N2 HP nozzle is a 2 flow point nozzle with a green color band. The N2 LP nozzle is a 2 flow point nozzle with a yellow color band, and the N2W nozzle is a 2 flow point nozzle with a white color band. These are the Kitchen Mister nozzles. The system's releasing module is a simple mechanical control head with a viewing window that makes the cartridge visible even when the cover is in place. It has high-quality ratchets that allow the gas valve to be opened and tested from the unit. It uses a standard nitrogen cartridge and is designed so that the cartridge puncturing mechanism will not allow for unwanted discharges when the cartridge is installed or removed. It can be mounted directly to the cylinder valve or can be remotely mounted, and comes with a double pole, double throw micro switch already installed. 2 additional micro switches are also available for a total of 4 electrical connections. This is the model SRM, Systems Releasing Module. The system also has industry best coverages. For example, a 6-burner range is covered with a single 2 flow point nozzle. A 4-burner range is covered with a single 1 flow point nozzle. A 150-inch perimeter duct is covered with a single 2 flow point nozzle. A 12-foot plenum is covered with a single 1 flow point nozzle. A 48-inch griddle is covered with a single 1 flow point nozzle, and a 60-inch griddle is covered with a single 2 flow point nozzle. And that's just to name a few. What's really exciting about the system is that it can be installed in half the time of older, more complicated systems. This is possible because of the use of Buckeye shielded cable that eliminates the need for conduit and corner pulleys and can be used for all system inputs and outputs, including the detection line, the gas valve line, and the remote pull station line. Conduit and corner pulleys can be used instead of Buckeye shielded cable. However, this will significantly increase installation time. Another time-saving feature is the elimination of all conduit and the use of only one bracket in the plenum area. Buckeye shielded cable is used instead of conduit and corner pulleys to connect the system's releasing module to the plenum, to the gas valve, and to the remote pull station. In the time that it takes to install any one line with conventional conduit and corner pulleys, you can be done with all three using Buckeye shielded cable. Imagine never using conduit or corner pulleys again. The Buckeye shielded cable interface is used to connect Buckeye shielded cable to any standard half-inch conduit connector. The shielded cable goes in one side, you tighten the Allen screw, and the standard 1/16 inch stainless steel cable comes out the other. It's as simple as that. This is the Buckeye shielded cable interface. This video will show Buckeye shielded cable being used to connect the gas valve to the system's releasing module. Buckeye shielded cable is a combination of flexible conduit with standard 16th inch stainless steel cable running through it. A Buckeye shielded cable interface is required to connect both ends of the Buckeye shielded cable to standard half-inch conduit. After cutting the crimp from the end of the shielded cable, it can be installed in the larger opening of the shielded cable interface. The stainless steel cable will continue out the other end. Then secure the shielded cable interface with an Allen wrench. The shielded cable interface can then be connected to any standard half-inch conduit connector, the gas valve line in this case. After connection, pull enough stainless steel cable through for both ends to be terminated. Then secure the cable with the clips provided. After securing the Buckeye shielded cable, it can be cut at its termination point. Always cut through both the outer conduit and the inner cable. The cable can now be pushed through from the other end to allow for termination. A shielded cable interface now needs to be installed on the gas valve end of the Buckeye shielded cable. After installing the shielded cable interface, connect it to the top center knockout of the gas valve box. Making sure to tighten it securely. Now connect the cable at both ends and you're done. Another time-saving feature is the elimination of conduit and all but one bracket from the plenum area. Just make a standard hood penetration at one end of the plenum. Install a single bracket at the other end. Run the cable through the hood quick seal and attach it to the bracket, install the links, and you're done. This illustration shows how the detection system will look, with a single terminal bracket and fusible link holders attached directly to the stainless steel cable with no conduit. Imagine installing the entire detection system in 10 minutes, and think how easy it will be to reposition links. Just allow slack in the fusible link line, slide the link to its new position, and you're done. To install fusible links without conduit and only one terminal bracket, first measure the distance to the center of the duct opening. Then, at the far end of the plenum, measure out this same distance. Now, measure 3 inches from the far end of the plenum. The intersection of these 2 points will be where the terminal bracket is installed. Using these same measurements, install an approved hood seal at the other end of the plenum and thread the cable through it. Then connect the cable to the far end of the terminal bracket. Now, fusible links or fusible link holders can be installed. To position the fusible link holder, simply slide it to its desired position. When fusible link holders are not used, simply loop the detection line and install inline fusible links. You'll note that the fusible link is not centered in the bracket. The bracket is only used to attach the cable to the hood. We even make getting trained easy with Buckeye Certified Training. Buckeye Certified Training is an online interactive training program designed to make the transition to the Kitchen Mister system fast and easy. For your convenience, it's also available on CD. This is comprehensive, video-based training on all aspects of the Kitchen Mister system that will make the transition from your current system to the Kitchen Mister system fast and easy, and make training new employees quick and inexpensive. How can you go wrong? Installation time cut in half. Dealer-friendly features like color-coded nozzles. A one-page laminated coverage summary sheet that will all but eliminate installation errors. A viewing window in the control head. It's simple to design and install, has excellent coverages, and the transition to the Kitchen Mister system is fast and easy with Buckeye Certified Training. The Kitchen Mister system has it all. The Buckeye Fire Equipment Kitchen Mister Restaurant Cooking Area Fire Suppression System has arrived. For more information, contact your local Buckeye sales representative.